Stop scrolling. Want to create a stylish animated opening like this? Before we start, I want to quickly share something.
Get ready to elevate your game with the FeraCube G1 gaming mouse. This is the ultimate budget-friendly powerhouse. Experience unparalleled precision with its flagship 3311 sensor, perfect for competitive play. Dominate every match. Weighing in at just 53 grams, its ultra-light design ensures lightning fast movements and incredible agility. Customize your sensitivity with 5-level adjustable DPI, up to 10,000, and a blazing 1,000 Hz polling range. Connect your way with versatile options, Type-C, 2, 4G, wireless dongle, and seamless Bluetooth connectivity. As a bonus, each FeraCube G1 comes with free high-quality drip tape for enhanced control and comfort. The FeraCube G1 is truly one of the best budget gaming mice out there. Don't miss out. Grab yours today.
If you're interested, you can check the yellow card for more information. Let's get started. First, import your photo or video and music into the timeline. Make sure you set the correct aspect ratio and remove the original audio if your clip contains sound. Next, add your text. Customize the font size and position based on your preference. Duplicate the text, then go to Loop Animation and select Image Overlay. Select the bottom text layer. Change the color to black, then adjust the position so it looks like a shadow behind the main text. After that, duplicate the clip. Hold the Control key on your keyboard. Then select the duplicated clip, along with the 2 text layers above it. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Now add a split mask at New Compound Clip. Rotate the mask to -90 degrees. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip, then move the mask to the far left side of the screen. Move forward to 2 seconds. Add another keyframe, then move the mask to the far right side. Press play to preview the result. And that's it. You've successfully created a clean animated opening. In the next video, we'll explore more editing techniques to improve your content. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.